Hi, I'm Alan from Enercom Energy Solutions, and today we're at the Golden Point Hotel in Ballarat, where we've just installed a 99 kilowatt solar installation. This was a fairly complex engineering project, but the result is the system's fully capable of generating around 130,000 kilowatt hours per year and delivering a significant energy savings for this client. We've used 226 Ryzen 440 watt solar panels and a premium SunGrow 110 kilowatt inverter. This setup is also expected to save the hotel around $25,000 in the first year alone. We've actually integrated this system with our smart SunGrow monitoring system. So it allows the customer to track their energy usage and also see their savings in real time. Plus the system will also show their carbon emission reductions, which we're expecting to be around 115 tonnes per year of carbon emissions reduced. We've also paired this system with our solar finance option for the client, and the system will pay for itself within just 3 years, while the hotel obviously benefits from immediate savings. And over the long term of the system, which is expected to last over 25 years, is around $550,000 in savings. If you're looking to optimize your energy costs and reduce your carbon footprint, contact Enercom Energy Solutions and we can see how we can help you save some money too.